Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can evolve all of your plants at once and grow a garden. So for instance, you've harvested all of your evolution plants and you want to oh my gosh, I do not like the earthquake weather. It makes me dizzy. But anyways, for instance, you want the pumpkin seed 2. You're just going to press talk here, and then instead of selecting I want to evolve this plant, just select I want to evolve all of my evo plants, so it can instantly give you the rewards as well as the seeds that you'll need to plant the next step. So for the pumpkin one, I still need to plant that. For the mushroom, it's the last stage. For the last stage, you cannot give it to Samuel anymore, but you can, I think, just sell them for a good price. Let's see, how much is this? I mean, the price isn't the best, I guess, because this one is like the common plant. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. Oh, okay, so the ones that are mutated go for about 4 million shekels. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.